Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Well, actually, back at the junkyard. And check this out, a Dodge Charger RT Daytona Edition, Bumblebee Yellow. Love the look of this car, and can't imagine how a car this new ended up here. It must have been some kind of catastrophic failure for it to have ended up in a junkyard this soon. Really good looking car. I don't see any obvious wreck marks on it unless there's something in the front, but it used to have a spoiler on the back here. Somebody's already claimed that for their own, but inside of this thing is pretty sweet. Now it has been picked through, so there's not a lot here, but you can just tell it was a top of the line model. Check out that, man. I think that's a really nice nav system, really nice everything system. And of course in the back here, you know, no seats. They took the seats already. I always love the stuff you find. And in this car we have some organic apple spice. Like what was going on there, I wonder. Pretty cool looking car. I don't know, we're probably going to have a lot of the engine stuff taken out of it, but let's take a look at that. Oh no, it's actually in pretty decent shape up front here. Wow. So it's got the V8 in it, and I can't believe it, but it's pretty complete. And again, like damage-wise, this car doesn't have any body damage. It makes me wonder what landed this thing here. Transmission failure? You think it would have been worth putting transmission in. And the car itself looked to be in good shape, but one way or another, one day or another, this is how they all end up. And this one ended up here a little early, if you ask me. Till next time, my friends, take care.